Welcome back to social studies. Yes, what all we studied at previous class? Yes, we studied about solid, liquids and gases, right? Yes, as well as what is solid? Solid is nothing but the space between molecular which will occupy and as well as which it will absorb that thing like as table, book, wall, etc. as well as it has its own definite shape and it has its own volume is known as solid, right? And which cannot move very easily, it always occupies the space as well as it gives us a definite shape is known as solid, right? Yes. What is liquid? Liquid is nothing but it won't have a definite shape. It will also have a definite volume. If I take as example, if there is a container, if we pour the water, only it will occupy the space of container, right? Yes. Okay, it is nothing but liquid. If I take as example oil, water, milk, etc. Next, what is gases? It is nothing but it won't have a definite shape, it won't have a definite volume, but also it usually will have a no shape. So it will occupy only the matters of the air space. Okay, yes, if I take as example as oxygen, air, obviously, right? Yes, and which we take the air, what we'll call as, if we take the air, it is known as oxygen. If we breathe out, if we breathe in oxygen, if we breathe out, it is known as carbon dioxide. Okay, now we'll see. Everybody open your page number 14. Okay, in the C, solid, liquid, gases. For liquid, I will show the oil. For gases, I will show the balloon. Okay, for solid, see, rest of this, it will be your homework. You have to write the homework and send to me. Okay. Connect the objects in their form of solid, liquid, gases above as usual. Which is solid, which is liquid, which is gases. You have to connect it. Clear? Yes. Now we'll see fill in the blanks which is solid or gases. States of a matter. That's what I told. Definite shape, definite volume. If this is the pencil, it has a definite shape as well as it also occupies a space. So which is this? It is nothing but solid. Okay. It is nothing but solid. Yes. Definite. Second one is definite volume, no definite shape. Yes. See, if I take as example, I'll pour one drop of water here. Okay. What it will do? Only it will have a definite volume. It has a shape? No. However, I will put it will be in same format? No. What it will do? It will go on spread. Right? So, it is nothing but liquid. Okay? Yes. Next one. No definite shape and no definite volume. Yes. If I take as example, what I will do, I'll take as air and I'll blow into balloon. Okay. It has a shape or it has a volume. No. However, we gonna blow the air. So in that kind, the balloon will be in the form of very broadening. Right? Why? Due to it has its own air. So it won't have its own definite shape and its own definite volume. So it is known as gas. Okay. What it is known as? It is known as gas. Yes. Next we'll see matter can be classified into three types. Yes, obviously, which all those? Solid, liquid and gases. It does not matter what shape it has a property or a space, a weight. Yes, obviously. It does not matter. It has a properties of a space, or it will occupy the space or not, or it is a weight or not. Yes, matter is nothing but what I told at previous class at matter. Matter is nothing but which will occupy the space. Obviously, for each and everything, it will be its own weight. That is known as matter with the shape. Okay. Yes, solid fit within your grip, and while a liquid or quite pure to slip. Yes, what it will do, that solid, it will be a quiet grip, but liquid won't be quit. It always will be in the form of slip. As well as what the gas will be, the gas will be always flying around, right? Yes, sometimes it might be in silent or with a sound, but what the air will be, what the gas or air will be, it will always be flying around. Okay. Yes. Now everybody open your page number 15. Yes. Actually, this is we have to do in the in some activity or experiment. We can't do. Now we'll just imagine. Okay. Take a packet. Take one empty pocket. Fill up with the air. What we'll do? We'll take one cover. Okay. We'll put the things on all. We'll take that cover and we fill up with the air and tie up it secretly at the top. What we'll do? How the balloons will be tied? No. In same way we'll tie up. Okay. And what it will happen if you pinch it? What it will happen? The hair will be come out. Right. What will happen if you simply open the pocket? The hair will be come out. Previously we filled the air, right? What it will happen? It will be come out. So it is nothing but there is no definite shape. There is no definite volume. So what we can call for that? It is nothing but in the matters of gas, right? Yes. Next we'll see, drop a pencil on a floor. Now drop some water from your water bottle on the floor. What it will happen in the both the cases? See, this is pencil. I will drop it. Okay. And what I will do? I will drop one drop of water here. See, the pencil if I take, it will be in same format. But I can take this water which I'll drop. No, we can't take because it always won't have definite volume. It has always definite volume and it won't have definite shape. So what the water will be? It will go on flowing. If I pour the water, what it will be? It will go on flowing, right? Yes, it won't have definite shape, but it has only a definite volume. So what we can observe here? A pencil is in the format of solid, but the water is in the format of liquid. Okay. Yes. Next, the third one is light agarbatti. Smoke comes out when you burn it. What you will say about the flow of the smoke? What you can say flow of the smoke? See, in every home they will do. Everybody will do puja, right? Yes. On that time, we see there is. Here see, agarbatti, right? What is that air? The air is flowing in constantly. It is staying at one place. No, it is spreading or it is going or flying around, right? So what we can say? There is no definite shape and there is no definite volume. So what we can consider? We can consider for this as gas, right? For this, solid and gases, solid and liquid both. For this observation, what we got to know? Only a balloon or only a gases, right? Yes. Now, what all we studied until now? Yes, we got to know which all those solid, which all those liquid, which all those gases, and make sure this will be your homework. Rest of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you have to match it and you have to send me the pics. Okay. Yes, and what all this observation we got through, no, right? Yes. Anyway, thank you students. We'll meet you up at the next class.